Hello and welcome to another video blog by Plain Econ. My name is James Kemper and I teach economics for South Plains College and as an adjunct for Wayland Baptist University. So this video blog is going to go over climate change and essentially what can we do from a global economic standpoint to reduce the impact of climate change. And this blog is not going to go into the economic rationale of whether we need to take action. That's a whole nother blog of whether the impact is enough and whether there are essentially more imperative things such as global hunger, efficiencies, global real income, and things we need to focus on, as well as debt and various crises such as the Great Recession, global recession. This is just going to say, should we look at climate change, and in my own opinion, what should we do about climate change? Okay, so talking about that, what can we do about climate change? So I'm going to pull in a photo of the globe. It's just a map of the globe, the whole world, and here's my theory, what we could do. I am not a scientist. I do know the economic impact of doing something like this, but in trying to tackle climate change, I don't necessarily know the actual scientific rationale, but here's my theory. What we do is, I know what makes my house cool down, and that is air conditioners. So my theory is to take a couple air conditioners, huge, massive air conditioners, and if we work with the human capital of everybody in the entire globe, the global economy, and we take all the human capital we have, focusing on the STEM capital, human capital, and synergize it into one function, we become this huge think tank, and we come up with an idea on how to create these huge air conditioners. Massive, I'm talking just incredibly large air conditioners that are going to go and run 24/7. And because these air conditioners are going to run 24/7, we're just going to place them throughout the world. Sorry, let me zoom back out. We're going to place these air conditioners all over. Lost one of my air conditioners. Wonder what's going on there. There we go. We'll just place them right there. And we've got all these air conditioners that are sending off waves of free cold air throughout the globe. Nice cold air going everywhere. And we're just going to place these all over, and one thing for sure we know is that temperatures are going to go down, right? Temperatures have to go down. And we know that our costs are going to go up, right? Because running these air conditioners 24/7, just like in the summer when you run your air conditioner, is going to be very expensive. So we come up with this great efficient fuel, and we make all of our think tank engineers, scientists work on coming up with this unbelievably great, awesome fuel. It's not fossil fuel, it's very renewable, it's clean, this energy that's just incredible, and it's cheap. And then after we do that, we no longer to fuel these the energy used to fuel each of these air conditioners, because it's so awesome, we no longer need the air conditioners, and we can just go back, revert to using this fuel, and it's going to save the global economy as costs go down, real income goes up, and essentially we've fixed global warming. By the way, just so you know, I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you, and hope you enjoy this video blog.